Ian here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a Prime exclusive discount that has been rejected by Amazon. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me. Let's get started. What I'm about to show you, it can be used for any sort of Prime exclusive discount, including Black Friday, Cyber Monday discounts, Prime Day discounts, and other types of special deal days that appear on the Prime exclusive discount page. And by the way, you get to this page by going to the menu icon, clicking on advertising, and then selecting Prime exclusive discount. So you should see this page. This is a discount I set up earlier today. It says needs attention. If it says needs attention, that means it will not run unless you fix it. And this is how to fix it. Click the view details. So at the very top of this particular page, it says this Prime exclusive discount must be at least 20% off your price or sale price, whichever is lower. Discounts not meeting this guidelines will be suppressed later. Okay. The other issue that comes up is suppressed. Discounted Prime price is lower than your minimum allowed price. And here's the problem. This particular item, it costs $27.99. I set up the discount to be 25% off the sale price, and I set the minimum price to be $21. The problem is 25% off the sale price of $27.99 isn't $21, it's $20.99. And Amazon does not let you set a minimum price of $20.99. You have to set it to like a whole number. So $20 or $21 or $22. So it rejected me. And basically what I need to do here, I can either delete it, or I can adjust the discounted Prime price, or I can adjust the discount that I'm applying. The way I'm gonna do it is, because I don't want to go lower than $21. I mean, you can see that this is a low price item already. I'm not going to give Amazon any more of my margin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the 25% off sale price to 24%, and then I'm going to save all and submit. And hopefully, what happens is they're going to review it, and then they're going to allow it to run on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So we'll see what happens, but that's basically how you fix a broken Prime exclusive discount. If this video helped, please take a moment to like and follow me. If you go to leanmedia.org, that's my official website, click on blog or video, tons more free information about selling on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching.